Welcome back to Carry Grace. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing my monthly cleaning. This list is from Clean Mama. Check out her website. She's got some good stuff. The first thing I'm going to be doing is washing these rugs. I did this on a different day. I threw these in the wash machine and then they were ready to go the next day. So the tools I'm going to be using today are my Shark vacuum. I will be using this to clean baseboards and things. Then this is just like a wand microfiber duster thing. I'm going to use this for blinds, and I will be using this N-Dust and E-cloth duster to polish my wood furniture. Then I'm going to use a damp E-cloth to touch up walls, and then I'll be using this E-cloth set to wipe my appliances. So today, all the monthly tasks, I'm going to be doing them room by room. I'm going to start here in my master bedroom. The reason I'm starting in here is because one of the things on this list is to clean light fixtures in the main bedroom, which happens to be my master bedroom. So that's where I decided to start. I am turning the blades so that they're kind of away from my bed, so that if there's any dust that falls, it's going to fall onto the floor and not on my bed. And then I will move on to things like polishing my wood furniture, cleaning window treatments, and things like that. One of the things that I really like about Clean Mama's monthly rotating tasks is just simply the way things rotate, because you don't forget things. Last month we cleaned curtains and things like that. I chose to not put mine in the washing machine. I just used a vacuum to clean them really good. This month for windows, I am cleaning my blinds, so I'm just using this duster to give them a really good dust. Alright, so let me know down in the comments below, do you have a monthly cleaning task list that you follow each month? Is it one that you made on your own? Is it one that you found online? I did mention that I have been following Clean Mama for a very long time. I just really like her monthly list. She has a lot of daily and weekly tasks as well, but I do follow her monthly task list simply because it's easy and it makes it so that I don't really have to think about it. I just write the things down and I do them. If you are not one to write things down, she does have this on her website. You can go on there and it's free and you can print it out. She's got like a monthly calendar for all kinds of things. It's really helpful. Now that I'm done polishing the wood surfaces in here, it's time to dust my baseboards. I am just going to vacuum these down really quick with my Shark. Another thing on the list is to actually wash the baseboards, but I'm not going to do this. I find that for me, as long as I do vacuum them monthly, I don't really have to wash them monthly. I usually do it a couple times a year, but it's not something that I do every month. Now I'm going to be moving into the dining room. In here I need to polish all of the wood furniture. That does include this buffet, my dining room table, and then also my built-in shelves. I will wipe them down really well, including everything on the shelves, and then also my piano. The only other thing that I need to do in here is to vacuum baseboards and then also spot clean the walls. The walls don't really need spot cleaning anywhere, but that back door that goes to the garage, it does need some serious spot cleaning, so there I will use my damp e-cloth to wipe all of the fingerprints and things down. You are also about to get a sneak peek of the new rug for our master bedroom. I don't know if you noticed in our master bedroom that the rug in there really does not match. I finally found exactly what I've been looking for. I have been looking for this rug for months now. There's one on Amazon, but it was over $200 and I really didn't want to spend that much on a rug, so I decided to be patient and I finally found this one at Ross. It was under $100. It was gray with that white kind of pattern on it, and it's just here in the dining room, kind of out of the way until we have a chance to put it in our bedroom. We have to take our bed apart to get it in there, so that's why it's there for now. Each month, the day that I choose to do all of my monthly tasks, I usually do it on the day after I have cleaned my house. That way everything is clean and picked up and I don't get distracted cleaning other things. So there's a little tip for you. Wait until your house is nice and clean before you start all of your little monthly tasks that you need to do. Alright, so now I'm finally going to tackle touching up spots on the wall, and like I mentioned, I didn't really have anything on the wall, but I did have some spots here on this door. The damp e-cloth, though, it does a great job getting rid of all the fingerprints. I actually have several places that I really just need to touch up with paint, but that is a project for another day. So now we are moving into the living room and I am going to vacuum off my couch. Again, I did this last month, so I'm not going to take the cushions off the couch. I'm just going to give it a good vacuum on the surface. We don't eat in the living room typically, and so I just didn't really feel like it needed it, so I decided not to take the time to do it. But I do like seeing the vacuum lines on the couch after I vacuum it. cannot tell you how many times in a cleaning video I have just kind of been in the zone doing my thing, dusting, and I come over here and I spray Endust on this table and then wipe it down, and then this table feels absolutely disgusting. So I always have to go back, and I don't do it on camera because it's usually later in the day after I realize it, but Endust works terrible on this table. It just leaves a film. I don't know, it just doesn't work well. So I do have to go get my e-cloth. I just get it damp and I wipe all of it off, and then the table feels nice and clean again. Hopefully I will remember that the next time and not make that mistake. I do want to apologize, the lighting is changing right here. It's just because that window is open and where I'm standing, but it doesn't last long. Now that all of the wood surfaces have been polished, it is time to move on to windows. Again, in here I did clean my curtains last month, so this month I am going to dust the blinds. This is one of those tasks that it's not my favorite. It's also one of those things that I'm so glad it's on this list, because if it wasn't on this list, I would procrastinate and procrastinate, and then I would have some nasty blinds. But thankfully, since I do this on a regular basis, they don't get very dirty. Dust the baseboards in here, and then that will be the last thing that I need to do in this room, and then we will get to move on to something else. Alright, so for wiping down appliances, I'm going to be using my e-cloth, stainless steel cloth, and then also the polishing cloth. I do get the appliance cloth, or the stainless steel cloth rather, I do get it damp. I wipe everything down with the damp cloth and then I dry it with the polishing cloth, and it does a great job getting rid of just like prints and streaks and things like that. Alright guys, I hope today's cleaning video motivates you to get some deep cleaning tasks done in your own home. If you are new to my channel and not already subscribed, please consider subscribing. I do post 2 cleaning videos each week. I post on Sundays and Thursdays. Come say hi in the comments, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also check out the rest of my channel for more cleaning motivation. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon. Bye!